So I've been gone for a minute. You guys have probably been wondering, where the heck is he? But in this video, I'm going to be explaining what happened and what exactly is going to be going on with the channel. So I thought about switching to a gaming channel, but I decided that the tech channel was just more my suit and something I'd probably enjoy more and have a better time growing, since I know more about that than a lot of the other games out there. I'm going to try to make this more of like a tech lifestyle channel, so it'll be mostly about tech, but I might just throw some more lifestyle kind of videos in there. And I'm going to start uploading less, so most likely only one time a week. That way I can focus on making the videos better. I felt like before I was just rushing to get the next video out and not taking the time to learn more. And I felt like I wasn't making the video experience better for you guys. So that is my goal. And I'm planning on uploading shorts more. Probably about maybe a couple shorts a week in between my uploads. For all of you who have stayed, thank you very much. None of you have unsubscribed since the last time I uploaded. And honestly, since I was gone for a month, I took like a hiatus. I don't even deserve this. So anyways, thank you guys very much.